Hi, my name is Jenny Lejon. I'm a Chemical Solutions Manager here at Emerson. Today I'm going to guide you how to configure the Rosemount 3408 level transmitter using the AMS Device Configurator App. To get started, we need the Rosemount 3408 level transmitter with a Bluetooth-enabled display and a phone or a tablet with the AMS Device Configurator App. When starting the app, it will automatically detect all nearby Bluetooth-enabled devices. To connect the device, we select its unique identifier from the list and enter the key. Both the unique identifier and the key can be found on the sticker attached to the LCD screen and on the device label. Once connected, you will be greeted by the home screen. Here you will be able to find all the measured data from your device, such as status, level, signal strength, etc. If you open the menu, you can access functions like configuration and service tools. You can easily set up a device using the wizard or use a manual setup for changing single parameters. In this video, we will be using the wizard. Click Configure, select Guided Setup and Basic Setup. From here, you select the appropriate setting for your application, like device tag, current date, variables, then press Next to proceed. The setup is intuitive and will help you by visually indicating what options you have. It is that simple. Your device is now set up and ready to go. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please reach out to your nearest Emerson representative.